and trying to find examples on systems thinking that can best communicate the importance of thinking that way. One of the examples I've shared frequently with classes is, let's talk about a scheduler. Working for an executive, working for an elected official, whatever it might be, invitations coming in, and when we talk about just looking at things from the event point of view versus a pattern or the structure, a real big picture, long range, when you just look at the event, comes in, looks okay, fairly consistent with what's been done before, schedule's open, fire back, we accept. Now that's looking at it from very simple, quick, time available, something we normally do, okay? If you get to patterns, you would look back historically, how often, for an example, if the invitations were coming in from a civic club or from several, do we have a pattern where we do 2 of those a month to get out into the community and share? That makes it, that's a little more sophisticated, makes it a little more productive and efficient to at least fit a pattern. Well, if you really get into the bigger picture, long range, you want to look at it, what are we trying to accomplish? What is our vision? What are the strategic goals we have? And how does this invitation fit in with that set of information? And if it aligns with our vision and carrying out our strategic plan, if it fits in with urgency in the sense that this is something we're trying to accomplish in a relatively near future, and going and accepting this invitation will advance those set of goals, then you're in a far better position to make a decision and accept than if you're just looking at it from an event point of view, or we traditionally go to a certain number each year or whatever. Again, coming back to looking at the system that's impacting how you proceed forward and how you accomplish your goals and all that impacts that. Looking at that bigger picture, looking at things more in a long-term basis. How this invite can enhance or have nothing to do and be an easy rejection. Or it could be as simple as including personal things in guidelines in terms of how you invite, that you don't accept invitations on the weekend, only so many nights a week, or that it has to be consistent with one's values and interests. But that bigger picture, and it makes for better scheduling, more production out of that scheduling, and a much more efficient operation, and not wasting time accepting an invitation that's just not productive, that can't enhance what you're trying to accomplish.